So this is a separate video wherein I will discuss few things. So all the other things which we had to discuss regarding Azure Repos or continuous integration or continuous delivery deployment and all, we have already discussed so far. These are few things which you may come across, and uh, you will find certain issues. So I thought maybe I will create this video and share across that knowledge which I have. So it's not necessary that you will come across these errors for sure, but if at all they come through, then this video should be helpful to you. So I assume in certain scenarios you might have created your organization and then your DevOps project, and then when you try to re-log in again after a few days, for instance, say you go to Google and put Azure DevOps login and you see the link on the top. So I get to this DevOps login page. So far, so good. I click on this sign into Azure DevOps. In here, I just give my Microsoft Outlook account here. And once it logs in, it takes me to some other project. I don't see my project in here, the one which I created. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to go to my profile in there. And by default, you log in, it takes you to Microsoft account. You'll have to change it to, whatever directory you were in which you created the DevOps organization. So mine was Manju tenant, so I select that, and then I see my project in here, right? So this was one of the informations I wanted to provide you. So just keep an eye on the profile section and see what directory you are under. Other thing is you will have to link your organization with the subscription or your subscription. So you have to go to the organization settings, and under billing you'll have to link it. So I will show you some other organization which was not linked. So this is another organization. I go to billing in there and I set up billing, and it loads the Azure subscription, and once it is valid I can save. So that is how you should link your subscription with the organization. Now I am back to my original organization, and I'm into the billing section again, and you see that you get 1800 minutes free here on Microsoft hosted CI/CD, and self-hosted agent you get one. So that is something to keep in mind again. This is where I came across the second issue that despite having whatever free minutes, right, when I tried to start my build pipeline, I was getting an error, and that was really a setback for me because I was not really sure how to, fix that, or why is it even happening in the first place. So what I did is obviously a lot of Googling, but I was not really sure how to fix it. Eventually, I got it on one of the Stack Overflows, but I thought it would be good to share with you guys here, so I'm sharing it here. So this is the error message which I was getting. The error message says no hosted parallelism has been purchased or granted, and it gives a link there to fill up. And apparently I had to go and fill up. So this error I was getting, despite like I showed you in the billing, it shows that you have around 1800 minutes free, and self-hosted one of them is free. Despite that, I was getting this error. So I had to fill up that form. And so this is the form here. So you have to fill this form, and Microsoft will get back to you within 2 to 3 business days. So you have to just fill in your details. What is your organization name? Is your project public or private? Just fill it to best of your knowledge, and you should be granted the access. I came across this link, DevOps link on Microsoft, which explains about this issue. So I will put this link in the description box below so that you can go through this blog, right? It's on devblogs.microsoft.com, but this also helped me figure out the issue. So that was the issue, and that is how I fixed it. So those were a few things which I wanted to discuss as part of this video. That's it. That's end of the series. Hope you guys loved the whole series. Do drop some comments and I will surely try to respond to them. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye. Take care.